Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Choco Fills with 24 different packs. As you can see, this packet is really big. You can see some butter over here. This is because I purchased this product from Mart, and they have squeezed the butter to this product. So I won't insist you to purchase products such as butter in Mart. Never buy such kind of products from Mart, okay? But you can buy this kind of product because it actually cost about 120 rupees, I think. Yeah, 120 rupees. But I have paid only 85 it's not 85, it's 80 rupees, and the delivery was free. It's because an offer. The offer was regarding some grocery sales. I don't know. Oh my god, it's really difficult. No, it's simple. Wow, don't you see anything? This is awesome, man. Wow, a lot of dark fantasy. Amazing, right? I'm gonna eat them all. You get 24 different packs, so let's eat one by one.